Hi everybody, welcome back. Thanks for tuning again. This is just a quick update video just to show you guys what I've been up to. So as you can see, I've been doing some painting in the master bedroom.
Very well. I had to caulk a few gaps, so there's a few places to touch up. This is all the plywood. The paint came out really good on this. Just painted all of that. I need to do a second coat on that top area. I also painted the beams white. The concrete beam at the top was painted white. All these walls were painted 2 coats. As you can see here, all these walls were done 2 coats as well. I did 2 coats around here as well. And as you can see, all the way up there has been done 2 coats. So what I'm going to be doing now while I'm here is I am going to try and skim this small wall here and then this wall here around to here and down the bottom under there. So that's what I'm going to try and get done today. So we'll catch up once I'm done. So guys, here is my first time plastering in Dominica. I'll show you what it looks like. It came out really good. So we can get some more light. So this is the first area done. And it's ready for paint. Tomorrow I will be doing it here. It's a bit more tricky to do. It's a small space and I've got a very awkward ladder. So tomorrow I'll be doing this wall here. This part above here. I've got some bonding to fill up this hole. And also behind the toilet and all the way up to there. And we've got this little area here to do as well by the window as well. So that'll be tomorrow's job. Otherwise, I'm done in here and this room is ready for paint.
So we can see the first room here. The plaster is drying out quite well. This is after 1 day actually. So I've started undercoating, applying a mist coat, watered down emulsion. And here you can see now I've given it 2 coats on the ceiling, 2 coats on the walls. This is the inner vanity area. I fitted the lights back, connected everything back, popped the lights in, and the paint is still drying. This is the shower area, shower and toilet area, which I also painted now. I fitted the architrave as well, which has been undercoated, ready to be glossed. Generally happy with how it's come out. The walls have come out really good. The client is very happy. I'm very impressed with how smooth the walls are. As I said before, this is not something that's common here. Most of the walls are quite rough, so this is quite a new thing really. So hopefully it will take off here. So guys, thanks for watching, and I will get back to you soon on the final video and show you what it looks like. Thanks for tuning in.